name is Bob James. I'm from Maiden Modern Furniture Company. We're based in Fairfield, California, here kind of in the Central Valley. And this company's been around for about 1 year. So very short-lived company. We're a startup. We're just in the process of implementing our first Odoo system. With that system, we are implementing our manufacturing, our inventory, our financials, our purchasing, many different applications that allow us to actually track everything in an automated way. So before, everything was manual. So if we needed to know how much inventory we have to go count. Now we have our inventory in the system. We're able to look in the system and see if we're able to manufacture the next day's production. Second biggest thing was our financials. So we were doing financials manually. They were in Excel, where a lot of companies do that, but not a long-term solution for us. We needed to have those automated. And as we manufacture, as we manage inventory, as we purchase, we want all those transactions to be part of the automated solution. We can produce our financials every month. Before, our financials just were continuous. They just were every single month. We're just recording transactions, but never closing a month and knowing what we spend in the month or what we made in revenue. Now we're able to quantify every month what our expenditures are, what our inventory turns have been, how much is inventory on the balance sheet, things like that. So very quantifiable, especially in the financials. Speeds up everything. Yeah, helps us track, be accurate, produce financials, and it speeds up everything. Bista has helped us implement Odoo and make changes to it where generic options did not work. So an excellent partner that's available 24 hours a day as we need them to make changes, to help us work with our people and train them. So Odoo is a very generic system that's like a shell. And you put together the pieces of a puzzle to make a new system that meets the needs for manufacturing, for finance, for inventory, etc. Bista helped us manage all of the changes that are needed for that, do the training, and they also support us when we have problems. Most everybody's coming pretty new from other backgrounds, but no one from Odoo. So Bista was very important to show us how to use the system effectively, how to make changes in the system if we need it, and really how to day-to-day help us with problems that we might have where we don't understand the solution. We have 4 primary people from Bista, but they get us more when we need them. But the 4 people have been with me for 8 months now, and we meet every day. And we talk about issues, we talk about things we don't understand. They explain to us more about the system every day. Many of those are offshore. We have some in the US and some offshore, but we never have any problem getting a hold of them. So they're very good about working the hours that we need them to be. Bista accommodates the difference in time. Bista's been very good about being available whenever we need them and doing the support after the implementation. We did our main implementation last January. And here we are 5 months later, we're still using Bista every day. Bista has never given me any constraints. They've been available whenever I need them. So that is one big plus that I think anyone could take advantage of, that they're available when you need them to be. It is saving us money. Right now, because we are in a startup, we're spending a lot of money to get going in the marketplace, but we would be spending more if we didn't have a system that is doing what it's doing for us today. I recommend them highly, and we're still working with them. And honestly, I would not be working with them at all if I did not like them or if they weren't providing a service that's effective for me. They have been doing both very well, so that's just not an issue at all. We're a year into our business. We're learning a lot about the business, and we're hoping to make a big splash in the market.